even when I do with the Gavel Club 5 speakers last week, I have to make my son to deliver the second speech. He will be the evaluator for fifth speaker. You know, that is so much tough to have evaluators and speakers without making repetition. Brilliant job, Aarti and Viji, for planning this meeting. Such a huge effort with no repetition. Thank you so much for making this plan. The second one, maybe before we make it much more stronger PR, I would like to bring to the attention of members the fourth workshop of this year of Toastmaster year 1920 is going to be the humorous workshop, which is planned on 20th of June. The members of Meraki, as usual, there is no charges, and we are charging 250 rupees for the guest. And to give you a little heads up, we had 4 spot registration on the TT workshop itself. Apart from that, we got 2 more registration. We that time collected 750, and now because of online, we reduced it to 250. We paid the balance amount back to the 4 registered participants also. Now we have 6 members registered for the humorous workshop, and the trainers and other details will follow. We have at least another 20 more days. I thought members can block your calendars on 20th June. It's going to be like 9 to 12:30 max. It will be 2.5 hours. Yes, sir.
Also open for non-Toastmasters?
Yes.
And is there any limit on the number of participants?
20 guests we are targeting. And if it is going to be online, members will come 15. So we checked with the trainers' comfort level, because it is going to be the first of a kind. We are going to try the online, and we intend to do. Karthi, you should thank us. We are not increasing beyond 20, you know, so that's something you should appreciate the XCOM for that. Okay, so we will work it around. I don't think there will be more people. The members given the first priority of 15, 16, then 10 to 15 of guests, maximum 20 we kept. So let's see how much it goes. And we wanted to give it more live, what we have done for TT and evaluation also, or even ISC, where the speeches are delivered. We are working on the agenda. So that is the second announcement. And before we go for the result, I would request everyone to please share your wishes and congratulations for the election going to happen today. Aarti is representing the Division O for the division director.
Wow.
Thank
All the
you.
best.
Thank you so
All
much.
the best.
Thank
All the
you.
best.
Thank you.
So we all wish her good luck. So far, no one standing against Aarti, so it's going to be unanimous. We will join the election and see how it goes. And with this, we have come to the results segment. So I'll share the screen with the results now.
Satish, how do we join election? It's not open to all, no?
Yeah, it is not open to all. Aarti, any thoughts?
I think that's what she said.
There is a link. If you're interested, I'll share the link with you. But we still have no idea whether there is going to be a checkpoint and only presidents and VPs joining, or anyone can join and only they can vote. I'll share the link. Try joining. If you're not able to, you can view it on SB Live.
Okay, what time is the election, Aarti?
It's scheduled at 4 o'clock, JC.
Today?
Today.
Today, 4 p.m. Okay.
4 p.m. Today we'll start with our district and then will be Sri Lankans.
Okay. Share the link, we'll see.
I will.
Okay, so we will move to the meeting achievers of Meraki 81. So this is timer report. I will send it across to you. It will be useful to go through it. Best tag role player, myself, timer. Okay. And the best role player goes to TMOD Toastmaster Gopinath.
Awesome. Good job.
And there was a tie for both evaluators as well as speakers since there was no Sergeant at Arm, and I feel very delicate to pick the one. I found both of them were equally competitive. So we thought we will go with the 2 best evaluators and 2 best speakers, considering the speech marathon. So the best evaluators are Jayanti and Aarti.
Thank you.
And the best speakers are Distinguished Toastmasters Sundararaman and Badrinath.
Speakers, add S.
I will add while circulating in the club WhatsApp group. So we will take one quick picture before we will call the meeting to end. Ready?
This.
Yeah. From our heart.
Yeah, we have to keep it here, is it?
From
No,
our,
we'll give thumbs up to Aarti.
yeah, with thumbs up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Aarti, you do like this, yeah.
Yeah, correct. No, Aarti is correct actually.
Okay, brilliant. Thank you so much. With this, I would like to reiterate, whenever we face a situation where you have to react, take a pause, decide, and respond, life will be much more beautiful and happy. With this note, I'll adjourn the meeting number 81 of Meraki.
Wow.
Okay, awesome.
Thank you.
Join this morning.
All the best, Aarti.
All the best.
Thank you,
All the
JC.
best.
Prayers, Aarti.
Thank you, Jayanti ma'am. Everyone, thank you.
Send us a
Have a
link.
great
Right.
day.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank
Bye,
you.
everyone.